Here are 6 compelling reasons why you should hold off on buying the 2026 Ford F-150 and wait for the revolutionary 2027 model instead. The timing couldn't be more critical for America's best-selling truck. The 2026 F-150 represents the tail end of the 14th generation that launched in 2021. While it's been a successful run, Ford is preparing something extraordinary for 2027 that will fundamentally change what an F-150 can be. The question isn't whether you need a new truck, it's whether you can afford to buy the wrong one at the wrong time. The most significant change coming to the F-150 isn't cosmetic, it's structural. Ford is developing an entirely new platform for the 2027 model year, marking the end of nearly a decade of incremental updates. The current 14th generation debuted in 2021, and it's faced criticism for being too similar to its predecessor underneath that updated skin. Automotive journalists and industry experts noted that while the 2021 F-150 looked fresh, the mechanical underpinnings remained largely unchanged from the previous generation. This platform sharing meant that Ford was essentially putting new clothes on old bones. The 2027 redesign promises to fix this fundamental issue. A new platform means more than just updated styling. It represents a complete rethinking of the truck's architecture, potentially improving everything from ride quality and handling to interior space and cargo capacity. Modern platforms are designed with electrification in mind from the ground up, rather than being adapted afterward. This forward-thinking approach will position the 2027 F-150 to compete effectively for years to come. There's an important caveat here though. Recent reports from Crain's Detroit Business suggest that Ford has informed suppliers about a potential delay, pushing the 15th generation F-150 from 2027 to mid-2028. This delay could extend the current generation's lifespan, but it also means the revolutionary changes are still coming, just potentially a year later than originally planned. Perhaps the most exciting development is the upcoming F-150 Lightning Extended Range Electric Vehicle, or EREV. This isn't just another electric truck, it's a complete reimagining of what electric capability means for working vehicles. Doug Field, Ford's chief EV, digital and design officer, describes the upcoming Lightning EREV as every bit as revolutionary as the original Lightning. The key breakthrough is range. While the current Lightning delivers an EPA estimated range of up to 320 miles, the EREV version targets a whopping 700 plus miles with a full tank and battery. This extended range comes from a clever engineering solution. The Lightning EREV will feature a gasoline-powered engine, but here's the crucial detail. This engine doesn't power the wheels. Instead, it acts as a high-power generator to charge the battery, maintaining the instant torque and pure electric driving experience that made the original Lightning special. Ford claims this new Lightning will tow like a locomotive while accelerating to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. For contractors, fleet operators, and anyone who needs reliable long-distance capability, this combination of electric performance with gas-like convenience could be transformative. The timing is particularly significant because Ford officially discontinued the current F-150 Lightning in December 2025. Production is already concluded as the company redeploys workers to support increased gas and hybrid F-150 production. The EREV represents Ford's answer to the lessons learned from the original Lightning's market challenges. The 2021 to 2026 F-150 generation has experienced some well-documented issues that buyers should consider. The most prominent complaint centers on the 10-speed automatic transmission. Owner forums and automotive publications consistently report harsh shifting, delayed engagement, and other transmission-related problems. Ford has issued multiple recalls for this generation, including repeated recalls for rear axle bolt failures affecting 2021 to 2025 model years. The company led the industry in recalls during 2025, echoing their dubious honor of most recalls in 2022, with 65 recalls affecting 8.6 million vehicles. These quality issues aren't just inconveniences, they represent real costs for owners in terms of downtime, dealer visits, and missed work. Many owners report leaving their trucks at dealerships for days while recalls are addressed. A new generation typically provides Ford with the opportunity to address these systemic issues from the ground up. New platforms often incorporate lessons learned from previous generations, potentially eliminating the transmission problems and build quality issues that have plagued the current trucks. Ford has been transparent that the 2026 F-150 represents largely a carryover year. Don't expect significant changes to the truck's appearance. The same grille and lighting from the recent mid-cycle refresh carry over unchanged. While the 2026 model does include some targeted updates that enhance driver experience, safety, and powertrain efficiency, these changes are modest. The functional and visual upgrades are incremental rather than transformative, making it harder to justify the higher pricing. Starting at $40,000 $100,085 for the base XL and ranging up to $113,725 for the Raptor R, the 2026 F-150 maintains its position as the second most affordable half-ton truck behind the Chevrolet Silverado. However, the value proposition becomes questionable when you know that a comprehensive redesign is imminent. Carryover years often serve as placeholders while manufacturers prepare for major updates. They're typically characterized by minor feature additions, special editions, and price adjustments rather than meaningful improvements. For buyers seeking the latest technology and capabilities, carryover years rarely represent the best value. The 2027 F-150 is expected to debut with substantially upgraded technology and safety suites. Ford typically uses major redesigns as opportunities to integrate the latest driver assist systems, infotainment technologies, and connectivity features. Industry observers expect larger screens, improved user interfaces, and advanced driver assist systems that improve both convenience and confidence. The upcoming 2025 Expedition refresh may preview some of these technologies since both models share platform components. Ford hasn't meaningfully increased powertrain output in the current generation for several years. The 2027 redesign presents an opportunity to boost performance across the engine lineup, potentially including hybrid options that weren't previously available. Modern truck buyers increasingly expect sophisticated technology integration, from smartphone connectivity to advanced towing assistance. The 2027 model year will likely represent a significant leap forward in these areas compared to the current generation's more modest offerings. Perhaps the most compelling financial argument for waiting involves depreciation curves and value timing. The 2026 F-150 will face significant depreciation pressure once the redesigned model arrives. Early adopters of the final year of a generation often experience steeper value losses as buyers gravitate toward the newer design. Additionally, Ford's pricing strategy for 2026 shows higher prices without proportional increases in features or capabilities. This pricing disconnect becomes more pronounced when buyers know that substantially improved models are coming soon. The used truck market also tends to favor the first few years of new generations over the final years of outgoing ones. Buyers shopping for used vehicles often prefer the newer design language and updated features, even if the mechanical differences are minimal. The evidence strongly suggests that 2027 will mark a watershed moment for the F-150. Between the new platform, revolutionary EREV technology, resolved quality issues, significant technology upgrades, and better financial timing, the advantages of waiting are compelling. Yes, waiting means dealing with your current vehicle longer, and there's always some risk in being an early adopter of new technology. However, the magnitude of changes coming for 2027 represents the kind of generational leap that only happens every 7 to 10 years in the truck market. For buyers who need a truck immediately, the 2026 F-150 remains a capable vehicle with class-leading towing capacity of 13,500 pounds and proven reliability. But for those with the flexibility to wait, the 2027 model promises to deliver everything the current truck offers, plus revolutionary electric capability, resolved quality issues, and cutting-edge technology. The F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for 48 consecutive years because Ford consistently delivers what truck buyers need. The 2027 model appears positioned to continue that tradition while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a full-size pickup. Sometimes the best decision is simply knowing when to wait.